see here. So we are going to be computing the follow for the given grammar. So here the given grammar is S tends to ICTS and S tends to ICT, SES, or C tends to B, S tends to A. So now I'm going to be computing the follow for this grammar. First of all, we are going to be checking that the grammar is left recursive or left is free from left recursive and left factoring. So by default the given grammar is free of the left recursion and left factoring. Now we are going to be constructing the follow of the given grammar. So as per the rules, the dollar is added to the follow of the start symbol, that is nothing but the start symbol is S, the follow of S contains the dollar, the take the first production, that is nothing, S tends to ICTS. So assuming that there is in the form of alpha B beta format. So B means non-terminal. In the right hand side we have to be assumed that at least one non-terminal, that is nothing but here we have only one non-terminal, that we have S, that is nothing but alpha B beta. Alpha is I am treating as ICT, B is nothing but S, beta is an epsilon. If beta is an epsilon, then we are going to be add the follow of S is added to the follow of S itself, that is nothing, follow of S is added to the follow of S. So if we add this rule, so there is no more symbols that we are going to be added. So once again, so if S replaceable production is S tends to ICT S, I am treating that B is nothing but C, and then beta is nothing but TS, and I is a alpha, that is nothing, alpha is an I, alpha B beta format. So this is an alpha, so this is a B, and this is a beta. Beta is an epsilon, beta is not an epsilon. Then find out the first of beta, that is nothing but we are going to be finding the first of TS, that is nothing, terminal followed by non-terminal. So that must and should be we are going to take as a terminal is a T. So this first of T is added to the follow of C. The first of TS is added to the follow of C. First of TS means only T, that's T symbol is going to be added to the follow of C symbols. Suppose if you take the second production, S tends to ICT S ES. So we have to be assumed that B may be C or maybe S. So we have the three different cases. Maybe S may be first S or second S. So I am assuming that I is an alpha, B is a C, and beta is nothing but TS ES. So beta is nothing but TS ES. This combination we are assuming that beta. Then find out the first of beta. First of terminal followed by non-terminal or anything. First occurrence of terminal whatever we have, we are writing the terminal only. That is nothing but first of T is added to the follow of C. Suppose if you are assuming that this entire ICT is an alpha, B is S, and beta is ES. Beta is ES. Beta is nothing but ES. If beta is not an epsilon, then find out the first of beta, and then that is added to the follow of B. What is the follow of B here? Follow of B. So that is nothing but S. So for the follow B, for the S, we are going to be add this first of ES. Then assuming that this entire ICTS ES entire I am treating as an alpha, B is an S, and beta is an epsilon. If beta is an epsilon, then follow of S is added to the S. So these are the possible cases to write down the follow symbols. So finally, what are the follow symbols? As per the rule number 1, dollar is added to the follow of S. S contains a dollar. So as per the rule number 2, S is added to the S itself, there is no use. And as per the rule number 3, follow of T, first of T is added to the follow of C, that is nothing but C contains a first of TS plus T. And then so if you take the third rule number 4, so first of TSES, that is nothing but T is added to the follow of C, already it is added. So as per the rule number 5, follow of ES, first of ES is nothing but E is added to the follow of S, E is already added. And as per the rule number 6, S is added to the S dash S, so there is no use. So these are the symbols of